Today I'm craving some drinks and it's raining also. So I want to take a coffee, black coffee, Americano, maybe. It's not maybe, it should be Americano because that's my favorite coffee flavor in when we are talking about coffee. So my voice is still not normal, but we try if after drinking coffee I got some relief of my cough. Alright, so we have here the coffee Marco. So let's try this Marco coffee. So I think there's some friends here so we can talk to them. Oh, yo, slippery. Hello. Can I order Americano, please?
Americano.
Americano.
Ice.
No, it's hot.
Yeah.
I like beer. How much? 28. I'm doing some vlogs. I'm doing some vlogs. Long time no see. What's the name of your company again? The lady? What's her name? No, the lady.
AC.
PC? She's on day off?
Yes.
Thank you. So the original price is 35 and he gave me a discount 20%. So it was 28. I paid 28 for one cup. So we will wait until the order will come. Take a look of the shops. They have a lot of wide array of some coffee. Nice. And their shop is here. So coffee is ready now. So we're gonna get it and enjoy and sip while it's hot. So nice coffee. This is a perfect match with the coffee. My black coffee, my Americano coffee. So it's just a picture. And here's my coffee. So let's take our first sip with our coffee. Oh wow, sir. Syrup. Very delicious. I like the bitter taste. And authentic coffee beans. You do have some coffee right there, so get your coffee and enjoy. So at the back, that is the ruin of Saint Paul. Today is cloudy, that's why I like the vibes of this environment. Guys, narito naman tayo sa isang coffee shop. Ang pangalan ay Handmade Papa Workshop. So tara, subukan natin kung ano ang lasa ng kanilang long black coffee. Let's go, pasok tayo. So naka-order tayo ng long black coffee worth $18. So nandito napakute ang kanyang tindahan. So ito na yung ating coffee. So titikman natin kung ano ang kanyang lasa base sa kanilang texture and taste ng kanilang coffee. Cheers. Oh wow, I like the bitterness of the coffee, the black coffee. Ang sarap. Maliban dun sa nabilhan ko dati na mga shop ng coffee, medyo pasok sa panlasa ko ang bitterness ng kanyang black coffee. Sarap. So pakita lang natin ang kanyang coffee maker. Napaka-cute. So ayan yan. So ito yung mga price ng kanilang coffee. Meron din silang mga sweets. Since na malapit na ang Chinese New Year, so ayan yung kanilang mga palamuti, decoration. So nakalabas na tayo, narito na, ini-enjoy ko na ang coffee, black coffee. Dito lang yan sa Handmade Papa Workshop. Dito lang yan sa Handmade Papa Workshop Coffee. Ang Handmade Papa ay open from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Alright guys, ito na yung nabili natin na milk tea. So mainit-init yung sago. Tapos ito maligamgam hanggang sa malamig. So try natin kung anong lasa ng kanilang milk tea. Itusok, ang sarap. Ayaw yata eh. So pagkain ng milk tea, pag inom, shake, shake, shake. Tapos sip-sipin na. Masarap. Pero ang in-order namin, less sugar para alam nyo na yon, mga taong umiiwas sa sugar. Kaya naman enjoy natin ang ating milk tea dito sa Studio City, Macau. Tara. Done. Ang sarap ng kanilang sago o kanyang pearl dahil kasing size ng straw, makunat-kunat, chewy ika nga.
Tapos, taste ng may lasang brown sugar. So, ibig sabihin, masarap. Parang 9 out of 10. So, hindi ako nagbibigay ng perfect score ng 10 kasi gawa ko ang 10 by 10. Alright? Siyempre, love my own. Kaya naman, tuloy-tuloy lang natin ang ating biyahe, ang ating gala dito sa Studio City. Alright? So, ngayon ay buwan na ng October. So, nagsiselebrate sila ng Halloween. So, siyempre, mga bata ang bida. Kasunod na rin ang mga matatanda. So, we are here in Tiger Sugar Cup Milk Tea. So, this is their concept. It's a small shops. It's almost 1 meter in size. So they are offering this in Sugar Cafe, the sugar melting. And that's it.